Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. In this video, we will learn the concept of finding the distance of a point from a line. So here we are talking about a line in 2D plane, means in XY plane. So first of all, suppose this is XY plane. This is X axis, this is Y axis. If a line lying in XY plane, so suppose this is the line lying in XY plane, and if we need to find the distance of this line, so here if we are talking about distance, then we will always consider the shortest distance, and shortest distance is always perpendicular. So we will assume the equation of this line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and we will assume this point as x1 comma y1, means the coordinates are given and the equation of line is given. Then we can determine the distance d. So this is the distance d, OP. So if we need to find the distance OP, then we will use the formula. What we will do, we will replace this x by x1, y by y1. So this will become ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root of coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square, and we need to find the determinant mode of this. So this is how we will find the distance of a point. So this is the general formula. Now based on this concept, we will solve these two examples. So this example is number 1 and this is number 2. So here it is asking for finding the distance between point and line, and we have to round our answer to 4 decimal places, and the coordinates of point are given and the equation of line is given. But one thing we have to remember here the equation of line is given in the y is equal to mx plus c format, but we need to convert this in general format. So it is a slope intercept form. So we will need to convert it in general form. So we can write this as 4x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can compare the value of a and b. So from here we can write a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 8. Similarly, the point P, we can replace x1 y1 as 1 comma 4. So from here what we can just derive, x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 4. Now if we need to find the distance, then we will simply replace these values in this formula. So a is 4 and 4 need to multiply with 1, then minus, so 1 need to multiply by, because the coefficient of y is 1 here, 1 need to multiply by y1, so y1 is 4 plus 8, and we need to divide this term by under root of coefficient of x, that is 4 whole square, and coefficient of y, that is minus 1 square, and we need to find the magnitude of this. So if we will solve this 4 will be cancelled, so it divided by 8 divided by under root 17. So this is the distance, this is the answer. And if we need to find the answer in decimal form, then we can use the calculator and we will get our answer. So this is how we have solved the first question. Now coming on to second example. So second example is also similar, but here the format of line is different. Then first we need to convert this format of line in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. So we need to take this minus 8 to the left hand side. So it will become this. Now on comparing this with original equation, so we will get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 8. And we know that x1 comma y1 are given as 2 comma minus 3. And now to find the distance d, we need to replace these values in this formula. So we can write this 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. This is plus 8 divided by under root of, what we will do, we will square and add the coefficient of x and y. So coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is minus 3, and we will need to take the magnitude of this whole term. So this is 8, this will become 9, 17 plus 8, 25. 25 divided by, this is again 25. So if we will solve this, we will get 5 unit. So this is how we have solved the second question also. So we have discussed this concept thoroughly. We have discussed some examples. We have discussed the general formula. I have explained it through a diagram also. If you still need to ask any doubt, then you can post your doubt in the comment box below, or you can visit my website and post your doubt there. And I have also designed a calculator based on this concept. Once you will put down the values in the calculator, then it will display you step by step solution. So I hope you will like that calculator also. I will provide the link of that calculator in description box below. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. It will help me a lot. Thank you very much.